I check out the microphone. Its name is K35 wireless microphone. The company tells it is 20 meters of accessible repetition. মানে এই কোম্পানিটি বলছে আপনি 20 মিটার পর্যন্ত ভিডিও ক্যাপচার করতে পারবেন। So let's get find out. I running to prove it. So let's get started. Hi! I think the sound is clear. I'm go to many far to the microphone. I think it's about 20 meters. Whoa, the microphone is very good. It's my own opinion. It's very most popular microphone to capturing many videos, vlog and many live class. It is the best microphone of your budget. To learn more, follow my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. See you in the next video. Bye.